In this video, I am going to show you how to join or leave groups on Roblox. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Roblox app and then tap at this three dots icon at the bottom right hand corner, and next tap at groups. Here you can use the search box to search for some specific group if you know the name of the exact group that you want to join, or you can scroll down and go through all that groups that are sorted in categories, and if you want to join some specific group, you can open it up. And then right here tap at join group to join to that specific group. Now you can also maybe asked about going through some verification. Just tap on verify. Now it asks me to pick a spaceship. I can do it, and then as you can see I have just joined to that group. And now if I want to leave that group, all I have to do is right here at the groups page hit a three dots icon and then hit on leave group and confirm it by tapping on yes. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.